guys, welcome to our channel once again. It's time for another traditional Guyanese recipe on our channel Real Nice Guyana. So today it's a favorite popular soup, which is chicken foot soup. As you know, chicken foot is high in calcium, helps with stronger bones and nails. So for you girls who like your nails long, strong, and nice looking, you should be making more chicken foot soup, right? For that, we have about 12 chicken foot there. We're gonna be using some scallions, pepper, celery, carrot, and bhaji of course goes into soups, as you know. So we're gonna be using some pak choy, which is a perfect bhaji for this soup. Onion, and we have a pack of chicken noodle there. We won't be using the whole packet, but we'll be using some of that, which is gonna add a nice flavor to it as well. So having said that, guys, as you know, all the ingredients are always listed in the description box of our videos. So please check there for all the ingredients with measurements. So having said that, let's get started, guys. So first of all, we're going to start cutting up our seasonings, guys. This is the celery. Oh, that's very fragrant. I smell that all the way from here. So I love a chicken foot soup, guys. And the way we make ours is not very thick, it's more like a broth. Very healthy, nourishing, satisfying. And pepper, of course. So if you guys can't handle the hot pepper, you don't have to use it, of course. So this is our pak choy bhaji, which is gonna taste very yummy in this soup. Okay guys, and for our main ingredient, the chicken foot. So we're gonna wash the chicken feet now. We're gonna be adding some vinegar there. Alright guys, so we have all our ingredients chopped, and we are using half of a cube as well, chicken cube. So we have everything ready, guys, and we have our water in our pressure pot that's boiling right now. So we're gonna begin adding our stuff. There's the celery, scallions, our very pepper. You know there's a pepper called piri piri, right? And now for our bhaji, pak choy. Now then goes our main ingredient. So one important thing into getting a good chicken foot soup is making sure that your chicken foot is boiled really good, soft, like the meat falling off of the bone. That's how soft you want it to be. When you put that into your mouth, you can just suck the flesh off the bone. That's the way it should be. So that's the chicken noodle that we had. So that's it, about 2 tablespoons of the chicken noodle. You don't need the whole packet in here. So we're gonna add some salt to taste now. So the amount of water that you're using for pressuring, we're going to be pressuring this, is always your water has to be about an inch over your ingredients. So once you've put your ingredients in the pot, if you need to add some more water to get up to that inch over your ingredients, then you do so, okay? So as you can see, ours is, above our ingredients. That's just the scallions and stuff floating there. Okay guys, so our chicken foot soup is boiling up. It's begun to boil up there rapidly now. So we're going to cover it and pressure this now. We're going to pressure this for about 20 to 25 minutes. And that should do the job. That should get your chicken foot nice and soft and the bones chewy and everything. Which is the way your chicken foot soup should be. Alright, so we're going to close this and give it about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes is up for our chicken foot soup, so we're going to check and see what's going on here, guys. Look at that. See how yummy that is looking here, guys? And you can see the chicken foot is boiled soft. See, the chicken foot is loosening, it's coming apart there. And that's as soft as you need them. So those bones will be chewy. Now look at how thin the liquid is. The broth is. See that? That's a healthy soup. So here's our finished chicken foot soup, guys. And it's looking delicious, yummy. Fall off the bone chicken foot there, as you can see. And you see how thin the broth is. So that's it for this recipe, guys. You can also add potatoes, arrows to this soup if you like. And that's it for this recipe, guys. If you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.